Welcome to the Healing Place Energy School, where we are passionate about helping you to awaken your inner healer. My name is Helen Chin Liu. I am a certified reflexologist, certified energy medicine practitioner, Reiki master and teacher, and I'm also the owner of the Healing Place in Medfield, Massachusetts. I am so incredibly excited. My Healing Place Energy School is expanding with courses that you as a healer may want to learn more about. Right now, I have 3 courses that I have just developed. The number one is, this is Introduction to Energy Medicine. It's Chakra 101, Know Your Energy. And that class accompanies my book, Know Your Chakras. Yes, this is fundamental energy. If you want to learn about what you're made out of, this is an excellent class to get you to understand energy flow, not only for you, for your friends, family, and even your clients. Now that you understand what are chakras, I developed a 5-part class series on how to read and feel energy, because energy is all around us, but very few people have any awareness of the energy that's within us and around. And then the 3rd class that I have just established is foot reflexology to promote relaxation. I am so incredibly excited. And this class is going to teach you how to do reflexology on you or your loved ones. And I'm offering 2 membership programs. I can call it membership. 2 levels of membership. One, you could subscribe as a member, so it's a month to month, so for about anywhere from $25 to $30, and then you could buy the courses outright and they're yours forever. Doesn't that sound incredible? I'm just so excited to share my knowledge with you from 13,000 healing sessions that I have given since 2006. So check out the box here to know where to go, to look at the classes, read the class description, and if it resonates with you, I would love for you to join me on my school platform. So this is Helen Chin Liu from the Healing Place Energy School, and I'll talk to you really soon. Bye-bye.